Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have completed the it's not fully completed, but I've finished crocheting the wrap sweater. But I've seen other crocheters, they call it a sweater scarf is what they call it. So I tried it on. It's a little more snug than what I would prefer. And I tried steaming it, but it's still not giving me what I want. The lay of it, it just is not giving me what I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to water block it. I'm going to add some fabric softener in it, and I will put it in a towel to kind of towel dry or to soak up some of the water. And then once it's completely dry, then I'll try it on again and see where it's falling, because it's not falling the way that I would like it to. So let me show you what it looks like. So it is, I'm gonna have to give you the measurements because of the length of it, because I didn't take the measurements. Well, this is one sleeve, one side, and then I closed it in a little bit, and then you see how it gets wide. This part is supposed to wrap around you, and then I have it, this is the other end of the sleeve. So I am going to water block it, and it's probably gonna take some time to actually dry, just because it's really thick. But hopefully once I water block it, it'll lay the way that I want it to lay. So without further ado, I am about to go and water block it. So guys, I have the sweater, and I have a little bit of I have some Snuggle fabric softener, so I am going to use a little bit of that to block. Use it in the water, should I say. And I have maybe about a third of this. I'm just gonna dump in here. And my water is it's lukewarm, it's not hot. Yeah, let me turn on the light because I did have some sunlight out, but it's getting really dark out because we're supposed to get rain. So excuse me for that first part. And just not having the light on. And look, I put the light on and the sun came back out. And it's crazy. So I'm just giving it a good soak. I think this will, I'm gonna put a little bit more fabric softener. Just a tad bit. Not that much. And this is actually my first time water blocking a garment for my my cardigan that I did, my hexagon cardigan. I actually just steamed it and it gave me what I needed. But this is merino wool that I'm actually used to make this sweater scarf with. So it might take a different type of blocking to get it to lay the way that I actually want it. So that's why I'm like, well, let me try water blocking. And I think this should be good enough, a good enough soak. And I'm gonna just try to squeeze out the excess water. I think this is gonna do it. Get it to lay the way that it needs to. Okay, I'll be right back. I just have this little small towel just to get it where I need it to go. I have a larger towel to wrap it up in so that it can dry. Get all the excess water out, should I say, so that I can put it to dry. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have it. I kind of got some of the water out with this smaller towel, but I'm going to use this bigger towel to get it get the water, the excess water out. It's gonna take I'm kind of stretching it in the towel just to get it wrapped up, and then I'll do my other part. Okay guys, so I am done with wrapping the sweater scarf up, and I'm gonna allow some of that water the towel to soak up some of that water out of it, and then I will finish up blocking it. I will come back to you just because it has to dry and everything, so I'll come back probably with a part 2 just to show you if it's laying the way that I would like it to lay when I put it on. So yeah, I'm still working on all those other projects. Maze bag, that should be coming to you soon. The top, using the Dollar Tree yarn, and also what it is one more thing. The Dollar Tree yarn top, the May bag. Oh, and the other bag that I started with that cotton yarn. Yeah, I'm still working on those. So I probably will just work on, once I finish May's bag, I'm probably just gonna work on that top and also that cotton bag that I started. It'll probably be some type of tote bag. I'll just work on those two to try to get those two done before I start another project. I wanted to do like just a pencil. Well, it'll be like a pencil case. That's mainly just for my markers and stuff, for something else, not pertaining to crochet. But I also want to do a bigger case because I have a smaller case for my crochet hooks and stuff like that, but I want to do a bigger case for my crochet stuff as well. But I'm not gonna work on that just yet. That's just little small projects that I want to do, and they may be done because remember I said I wanted to do some lives. So that could be, you know, part of one live or something like that, to crochet just those 2 pouches or something like that. But I'll work on that. I want to actually structure and have content for my lives, not just go live and just doing whatever. I want to make sure that I have a little small project or something that I'm doing for a live before I actually go live. So that'll be planned. So I'm working on doing that. But that's it for this video. I won't go no further. I will work on and getting this sweater scarf blocked, trying to get the excess water out of it. But I'll come back with a part 2 for that. But that's it for this video. If you like what you're seeing in this video and you want to see more, give me a big thumbs up, comment, let me know, hey, look, I really like the content in this video. Keep it coming, keep it going, whatever. Just let me know. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. I thank everyone who have subscribed to the channel thus far. And I really appreciate you, and I appreciate the comments, the likes, the views, everything. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So I thank you all, and so that's it. Before I leave, stay blessed, stay safe, and know that you are a queen. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.